Data shows extreme fear sentiment in the Bitcoin market has continued for almost a month now, the longest stretch since April 2020. As for the latest weekly report from Arcane Research, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index has continued to point at extreme fear this week. The Fear and Greed Index is an indicator that measures the general market sentiment among Bitcoin and crypto investors. The metric uses a numeric scale that runs from 1 to 100 for representing this sentiment. All values above 50 signify greed in the market, while those below the threshold suggest fear among investors. The extreme values of above 75 and below 25 imply sentiments of extreme fear and extreme greed, respectively. Historically, bottoms in the price of Bitcoin have tended to form during periods of extreme fear. On the other hand, the crypto has observed tops during stretches of extreme greed. Some investors think that because of this, it's best to buy during extreme fear, while extreme greed is ideal for selling. Related reading: Bitcoin LTHs realized significant losses recently, final capitulation here. Contrarian investing follows this approach. Warren Buffett's famous quote sums it up: "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." Now, here's a chart that shows the trend in the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index over the past year. As you can see in the above graph, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index has a value of 16 RIG. These low values of the metric have remained for almost a month now, making it the longest stretch of extreme fear since right after the COVID crash back in April 2020.